Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. A long distance move of 100 miles or further requires the right services. We offer the following to go along with your basic moving services: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Our team of long distance movers will offer you the best options for your specific needs. We know how to make sure you get the best options for any type of relocation. Whether you're going one state over or across the country, we can help you. Hiring Kentucky Moving Company will give you the right team for your local move. When you choose a good local mover, you'll be able to save time and energy. If you're just moving a few miles away, you'll get the help you need. 3 Movers will give you the right team for your specific needs. We know how to make your local move super simple and stress-free. Let's deploy our streamlined process and professional movers to make your local move easier. Local and long distance movers near me. In addition to local and long distance moving, our moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.